Name is MD Arifuzzaman, and I've created a project, and it's called Automating the GitHub login process, also creating a new repository. So here's how it works. So first, we always go to github.com, right? So we have to press enter, we have to type the URL in, we have to press enter, then we have to click on sign in, and then we have to put in our username, our email address, and then password, and then we have to click sign in again, and we have to wait for it. Then we have to click on a repository that we created. So when we click on this, we are invited into this page where we can create a new file. So we have to create a new file. So we click on this, then it opens up with this page. Then we have to name our file. This is another test. Once we name that, then we have to click over here and we have to type our project. So what I have done is after you click on this, basically after you type in your code and everything, what you do is you click on commit a new file, and after you click on this, it creates the file and you are able to see it here, right? So what I've done is I've created a program that will automate the process. So all you need to do is replace this name and the file. I will show you the steps on how to do that. Not within GitHub, but in the code. So this will automate your process. So you don't have to come here, type it in, and then click here, and then copy paste it. It will do everything for you. So here's how it works. If I open up Eclipse, I've done in Selenium to automate the browsing process. So here you can see some codes that I have that imported the WebDriver, the Selenium, and the Chrome driver. You can go on YouTube and search up setting up Selenium on any computer. So here I named the class, and over here, this is where you need to change your settings, where you download the Chrome driver, which is this one here, and you can find YouTube tutorials on how to do this. So over here, you can see that I have Chrome driver, so I'll be using the Google Chrome driver. And if you look over here, it says driver.get. This is where I install the github.com, where I basically put the URL that I'm going to visit. And these are the codes that will do the following process that we're going to be implementing on the code. So for example, let's say I want to have this entire code. I want to be able to go on GitHub and I want to paste it on the actual field. So I want to be able to paste it right over here where it says this is a test. So all you need to do here is change the title. This is the GitHub auto login. If you go over here, this is what it typed. So on this field, it will type whatever you put over here. Same goes for whatever you put on the field where it says this is a test. So if you go back here and you put something different here, this will replace that. So let's say I'm gonna keep this one for this test. So it's gonna type the GitHub auto login, and if you want to see the process. So after that, this is done. This will click on this field over here. So this will enable so you can start typing something in here. So let's say for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to want to take this entire code and I want to be able to paste it over here. So if you go here and you type this and you paste it here. So for this process, I don't want to go through all of that, but I want to make my life and your life probably easier. So what I want to do is every time that I write a code over here, well, all I have to do is come over here, change this name, the title, and change basically paste the code in between the quotations over here. So let me take out everything here so you can see from the beginning, or you can just replace that text. So in between these quotations, you're gonna paste the entire code. It's gonna look like a mess, but it's okay. So it will basically take whatever you have in between these quotations. So quotation ends over here, and the other quotation would be ending right over here. So everything in between the quotation is what's going to be going inside this field. Let's test that. If we click on run, look what happens. I'm not going to touch my keyboard. I'm going to leave my mouse where it is, and you watch the process of what's happening right now. So it goes to GitHub, it clicks on sign in, it logs you in, clicks on sign in again, then clicks on Selenium, then it clicks on new, types in the name, GitHub auto login, and then it starts typing. It looks like it's typing because it's what you put over there. So I know this step is a little couple of seconds extra since it's not really pasting exactly what you put, but it's typing in a way that it's copy pasting it. So you're not doing anything. You're just sitting here and it's doing its own thing. So if you look, it's gonna finish typing everything. Everything that we have in the code is basically typing in here. So let's wait for this to finish up. See, right here is the email, here's the password, and this test 2020 password is going to be changed. So this is just for test and demonstration purpose, but you can see that it's doing exactly what you put in there. And you can do a lot more than just this. So I'm just doing this so I don't want to keep going back and forth in inputting my repositories because it takes a lot of time for me to log in, click on this, click on that. So I wanted to make my process a lot easier for myself, but this is the process what's going on right now. And this is all automation. If you look, I have my mouse right over here. I'm not typing anything, I'm not doing anything at this moment. So it's finished, right? So what you want to be able to do is click on commit a new file because this is the main purpose. So it saves you the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and enable this. So I'm going to go to inspect. I'm going to go to click here and I'm going to get the source file for this one. So let's go to copy. I'm going to copy the X path, go back to the code, and over here you're going to type in driver dot find elements by dot xpath, put in quotation, paste, quotation again, toward the end, put a dot, and you're going to click, and then what this will do right now is after finish typing everything, it will go ahead and click on the commit a new file option. So let's do that again, and this time it's going to go ahead and click on that option. So let's watch how it's done. So after this is done with all the code, it will click on the new file, like commit a new file to create the new repository here. So let's watch it doing the process. And it's done. It created the file for you. You can see the file right over here. And the process has been completed. And you can see here that it timed out because it finished the completion of the process here. and this is the project. You can find the link for the GitHub to get this entire code, and I will also try to link some videos that explains how you can install Selenium on your computer so you can run this code. This code will not work without Selenium, so you must have Selenium installed on the computer. I'm going to put some link on the video description so you can see how you can do that. But this concludes the video. Thanks for watching.